This course is meant for all levels, beginner, intermediate and expert. In this course, I'll teach two hot technologies called Git and GitHub. Myself, Bibhash Roy, I am the instructor for this course. I have more than 17 years of experience in information technology with a deep love for teaching. Git is the most popular source control management system as of today. April 2005, December 2005, May 2007, April 2008, June 2014. Git users can be engineers, developers, web designers, graphic artists, freelancers. GitHub is the largest host of source code in the world. As of February 2016, GitHub reports having more than 12 million users, more than 31 million repositories, and a lot of other features. You will learn how to configure your Git repository using author and email details. I'll show step by step the 3 techniques to create Git repository from scratch, from an unversioned project, and by cloning from GitHub. Here I will teach the 3 important states in Git repository: modified, staged, committed. Finally, you need to push your changes to remote repository. Git status is a versatile command with different options. Here I will show how to use the short option, long option, and how Git track changes in artifact. Overall, you will have insider peek into Git. Git commit is at the heart of Git. Here I will show how to use one-line option, single file option, since then approach, and finally limiting commit history display to end elements. Finally, I will show how to work with SSH and HTTPS protocols to connect to GitHub from your local repository. As you dive deeper, you will learn how to make Git Bash friendlier and productive with a colored and custom prompt, how to install and configure default text editor for Git, how to install and configure P4 merge as a Git diff and merge tool, how to view and compare changes with P4 merge as a diff tool. At the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Git and GitHub. So why wait? Click the Take This Course button now and join the class. Boost your knowledge and fast track your career with this course. New sections and lectures are being added on a regular basis with the latest and greatest of Git and GitHub. Remember, this will be the most comprehensive course on Git. I look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks for watching this video.